an example of the benefits of using Axure for interactive prototyping. Visualize and validate design concepts. Axure allows designers to create interactive prototypes that closely resemble the final product. This enables stakeholders and users to visualize and interact with the design concept, providing valuable feedback and validation before development begins. It helps identify potential usability issues, gather user preferences, and make informed design decisions. Efficient iteration. Axure's drag-and-drop interface and extensive library of pre-built UI components make it easy to quickly create and modify prototypes. Designers can iterate on design concepts, test different interactions, and refine the user experience without the need for extensive coding or development resources. This saves time and effort in the design process. User testing and feedback. Axure allows designers to conduct user testing by simulating realistic interactions and scenarios. Users can navigate through the prototype, perform tasks, and provide feedback. This helps identify usability issues, understand user preferences, and make necessary improvements early in the design process. Collaboration and communication. Axure facilitates collaboration among designers, developers, and stakeholders. It allows for real-time collaboration, enabling team members to work together on the same prototype, leave comments, and track changes. This streamlines communication, ensures design consistency, and reduces the risk of miscommunication during the design and development phases. Documentation and handoff. Axure provides features for generating design specifications, including annotations, measurements, and assets. This documentation helps communicate design details to developers, ensuring a smooth handoff and reducing the chances of misinterpretation. It also serves as a reference for future iterations or updates. Cost and time savings. By using Axure for interactive prototyping, designers can identify and address design issues early in the process, reducing the need for costly changes during development. It also helps streamline the design process, allowing for faster iterations and reducing the overall time required to bring a product to market. Overall, Axure's interactive prototyping capabilities offer numerous benefits, including improved visualization, efficient iteration, user testing, collaboration, documentation, and cost savings. It empowers designers to create engaging and user-friendly experiences while minimizing risks and maximizing the effectiveness of the design process.